Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online with Luno in 2021. But before I begin guys, my name is Larry and welcome back to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe button so you are always in tune with Dollar Influencer's new videos. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump right into the video. So guys, what I want you to do is that I want you to go on luno.com and you are going to buy and manage your crypto in one place. That is right guys, I'm going to teach you how to buy and increase your cryptocurrency. So as it says, access cryptocurrencies in Bitcoin, pretty much every single cryptocurrency you can think of. I'm going to show you how to use it and how to sign up and create an app for it. So it says buy and sell crypto locally, store and send it secretly. You can buy Bitcoin. Over 8 million customers trust us globally. Beginner friendly platform. So guys, in like all of the websites that I've shown you, I've taught you how to make a quick buck by just doing online surveys or just doing games and all that. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to elevate your income and elevate your currency by buying Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin and secretly store it in your wallet and send it easily to friends. Choose your preferred payment methods such as bank transfer or credit card to help us up your Luno wallet. Buy cryptocurrency. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how to buy it. As it says, trade on the go, deposit it easily, and you can obviously increase your income. So now you guys are wondering, why am I telling you about a currency app where you can buy because you're supposed to spend money? Well, I'm going to show you guys pretty much that when you buy a cryptocurrency, you can either buy it when it is going down or going up. I'm going to make sure that you guys make sure that you buy a cryptocurrency when it's going up. So if you buy Bitcoin right now, it would obviously be way too expensive. But if you bought Bitcoin a few years ago, right now you would have a lot of money. So right now maybe Bitcoin isn't the thing for you specifically, but there are multiple other currencies in this website and in this app that you can trade with for like 100 Rand very cheap. But just for the fact that you know that you have a coin and you have a currency is the best part about it. I'm not gonna go into too much detail because I do not know much about currencies, Bitcoin and Luno in general. I'm just gonna show you guys the app, and if you guys have more questions, you can definitely go on YouTube and search what is Bitcoin, what Luno does, and pretty much a full description. I don't want to mislead you and I do not want to give you any false information. I'm just going to show you the website, and you can definitely find way more information on YouTube. So guys, just follow my instructions and I promise you will be okay. Anyways guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. 26th of November is definitely coming. Make sure to comment and like so you can stay in the competition, and I'll see you guys next week in the next video. Peace out. Love y'all.